Okay, let's talk about your math for today. So this video isn't on there yet, obviously, but it will be. So the first things you need to do is watch the two videos that you have. So if you haven't watched those yet, watch them and then come back to this video. Okay, so you should have watched these two videos and follow it along. Now you should be working on your pizza fraction worksheet. So what you need to do is you need to pretend that you work at a pizza shop and you have some orders to fill. Read each order carefully so that you can prepare each pizza exactly the way the customer wants it. So what they mean by preparing the pizza exactly how they want it is you need to look at the fractions that they have here and divide the pizza into however many it needs to be divided in. Then you need to put what fraction gets cheese, what fraction gets pepperoni, and what fractions get olives. And you need to do the same thing for this pizza. But look, we're working with a different fraction this time, so you're not going to split it into the same amount that you did this pizza. After you split the pizzas, you need to then compare the amount of olives on each pizza. So for the first pizza, there's 2/4 olives, and on the second pizza, there's 1/2 olives. So you need to, in this circle, put greater than, less than, or equal to. Remember, if the alligator mouth is open to it, that fraction is greater. Then you need to compare the fractions for cheese. So there's 1/4 cheese on this one and 1/2 cheese on this one. So you need to tell me, is 1/4 greater than, less than, or equal to 1/2? So you can do this by taking a screenshot. You can write all of this on a piece of paper. That is your choice. You get to choose what you do there. All right. You need to turn this into Google Classroom, and then you'll be done with math for today.